it from a mile away, taking full control over me. Oh, if you know what I know.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy T Grant, back at it with another reaction video. This time we are doing the Los Angeles Lakers at the Minnesota Timberwolves. I think they played first game of the season. I think I think the Timberwolves got the best of them. I'm not sure, I couldn't remember, but really, I've been hearing the Lakers kind of been struggling as of late. Bron is obviously not playing, but the Minnesota Timberwolves still got their regular starting five lineup, it seems. So yeah, it looks like just the AD show at I think AD show in Connect 4. You know, my boy Connect 4. So yeah, we're gonna see how they look, man. Let's get right into it.
Wolves trying to get back on the right track since their loss Sunday to Golden State.
Julius Randle.
Knocking down the Jet. Oh, the activity inside. Conley over to Edwards. Penetrating.
Oh, nice. Oh, and my boy too, man. KD enthusiast, just like me, man. Love to see it, man. Him and Connect 4. Is that Reeves with the headband? I did not know Reeves wore a headband. That seemed like that Christie guy improving his game this season. And almost didn't even recognize Reeves for real with the headband. Jaden McDaniels. Did that man have braids? Nah, I ain't gonna lie, Julius. You ain't moving an inch. That's a tough finish though, but you wasn't moving an inch. You wasn't moving an inch with Rui, man. I understand Rui's stout, man, but dog, Julius, I thought you was supposed to be stronger than that, man. That was a tough finish though. Still a tough finish though, but man. Oh, that's calm. Not gonna lie, 80 don't drop 40, man. Like, the Lakers lose. Simple as that.
I just don't know if they have what it takes to win the Western Conference to beat a team like OKC.
There's tremendous depth.
Damn, that was over and back. I ain't gonna lie.
Second chance opportunity inside. Gobert. Second chance opportunity inside. Steal on the inbound. And the flush.
Jaden McDaniels.
Driving, missed the shot. Davis trying to keep it alive. McDaniels. Tremendous activity from Seagull already. Alexander Walker outside. Reed.
Nice read, man.
Opportunity to get back. Run up and down the floor. Get some good player development time.
I've got DiVincenzo on that team too. Oh, that was a tough finish. Tough finish.
Davis for two.
Oh, dang, that was a tough finish, Julius. Tough finish. Tough finish. Who's that? Oh, Cam Reddish?
Players. Julius looks really good with the team. So I think it's just cool to see, you know, those new people being integrated.
Gobert couldn't even block that. That's a damn shame, bro.
On the business side, it's stressful.
Ooh, nice crossover by Reeves, man.
Super cool just to be able to start something from scratch, obviously.
The 808 Reeves was the one who was talking that shit, man.
Overseas, you still need to get better at your craft of the game. And so, through and Rival, we're trying to check all these boxes where we're getting better, building our
Oh, yeah, Connect 4.
and making money.
Exploded for a plethora of reasons. Your Lynx went to the WNBA Finals.
I thought, I'm about to say.
Watching Notre Dame and UConn last night. I'm sorry to bring that up. Layup by Rui Hachimura. This game's getting tighter.
The moment would speak. Rebecca, she didn't want to say much when she talked.
Oh, 80 should have made that one.
You know what I mean? Because anybody can talk, but can you communicate? And that's BB, man. BB is communicator.
Nice.
McDaniels and Randle in double figures with 10 for Minnesota.
80.
The mini, good. Aggressive Rudy Gobert, 5 points, 7 rebounds, some slots.
pick this pocket. Oh, he got it back though. Nice cut by Roy.
Off the handle, got it back. DiVincenzo.
Ooh, nice.
Nice setup by DiVincenzo. Minnesota nursing a 5-point lead. Rand early, going at Davis. Turns, shoots, scores.
Ah, that smack.
This is Davis, bully ball with Randall.
Sure was bully ball.
Fun matchup.
Julius can't do nothing about that.
Ransom didn't see it. Here's Reddish outside to Christie. Extra pass. Reed's got a
Ooh.
three. And that's just a missed ball to a 3-point shot. So, I hope that this game isn't close in the end, but that was 3 points for the Lakers.
Reese.
Reed.
Ooh, dang.
That was a legal three. Randall out to Edwards. Edwards, clock winding down. Fires from mid-range. Scores. 9 for Anthony Edwards. Lost the handle, chases it down, and threw a bad pass to Vincent. Vincent for 3, and they get points off the turnovers. First field goal for Gabe Vincent. And there have been some good stretches in this game, and there's also been some sloppy moments. Nice feed.
Yeah, that should have been a foul right there. Not gonna lie.
Off the dime from Julius Randle, who's fired up.
You know, I don't know what you're going to do with that. I mean, if they're going to stay loaded up, no one's guarding Rudy, and if he flashes, you're not going to get it to him. It's difficult.
Hachimura from the elbow is good. He picked up 3 fouls in 5 minutes in the first half. 0 for 1. Edwards.
That hezzy, man. That hezzy.
Snatch that thing above the rim. There's no reason.
Oh man, KD versus KD enthusiast. Oh my gosh, man. Oh man, don't do Connect 4 like that, and like chill on him, man. You all KD fans around here, man. You all should be getting along, man.
Shot won't go. Got his own. Put it up and through. The defense froze. And so far this game, Wolves in full control.
That man Gobert wanted to do a reverse, but he just like changed his mind mid-air, man. He just changed his mind mid-air.
Things that you kind of go, well, we haven't been able to figure out. We've been relatively healthy. I mean, that would
Got him.
time off due to injury as AD goes right around Rudy.
Man, AD been relatively healthy too this year. I noticed.
In this ball game, Christie missed the layup, tipped it up and in, plus the foul. And here comes LA.
Gets the steal, and then turns it into points.
A wise decision. Dillingham could have forced it inside, but
Ooh, D-Lo.
Russell with the answer.
Ooh, oof.
Lakers showing a little desperation here. Dillingham, long range three.
Is that rookie?
Wondered why no call was made.
Reeves.
For 3, too strong. Rebound chase down. by
Reeves again.
Reeves again, good.
Pretty close game. Yeah. Kinda.
Still
Reeves.
Edwards on the Minnesota.
Yeah, Reeves putting that team on his back right now, man.
Three of his own. Hachimura off the pocket pass. Reddish sets up Vincent.
Ooh, high arcing 3. Oh man, nothing you could do about that.
75, and Chris Finch calls time.
Mike gets up off the bench with Rudy Gobert and Anthony Edwards.
Randall throws it up to Alexander Walker. I don't know if that was a shot or a pass. Let's grant him the assist.
Yes. I mean, it goes back to even like the Miami game. A while back, he's had some tough crunch time moments. This
Nice move. 9 rebounds. This is something you talked about. He could do this on a nightly basis.
Ooh, that.
Edwards mid-range.
Ooh.
Ball rotates. Randall. Inside. No whistle. Just lost it. Another turnover. Hachimura the slam.
get Rudy and Mike in a two-man game.
Conley. Pocket pass. Gobert rolls it through.
Yo, it's just the way Gobert be moving, bro. Like you I see why I see why they don't really want to get him involved in the offense as much because, like, bro, he really just moved like a damn giraffe for real, bro. Like, just like how he laid the ball up just now, like, bro, that I can see why the Timberwolves for real do not want to get this man involved in the offense. But unfortunately, if they want to go somewhere, which they probably won't this year, you know, they gotta get him involved in the offense because he's just gonna be a liability on the offense, and his defense just doesn't carry over either. So they just gonna like pick him apart, man, pick on him basically in the playoffs, man. So fortunately, man, I really only see. I love my man Ant-Man, but I only see them probably. I'll be shocked they get past the first round. If they play us, man, they may get past us, man, because you know, like our defense is still pretty bad though. But you know, who knows?
Gave it to Rudy early too, which doesn't always mean success for Minnesota.
Davis.
Ooh, AD.
That three makes it a 5-point ball game. Two-man game.
Conley. In a minute, I heard Conley name. What the hell is Rui doing, bro? Timberwolves won that game.
After 4 days rest, the Timberwolves get the victory, 97-87.
Oh man, I heard the Lakers struggle still continue, man. Oh man.